Yo, everybody. My flash is white, but look at this. That's not anything normal. That's rain. As you can see I can see the camera light. It's making rain show up. This is rain right now as we speak right now, and you see this. This is normal day filming for me. Sometimes I film like this. It's another vlog. Hey, I've been doing 20 vlogs already. So hey, you guys get a look at how the rain looks like from over where I am at. It's huge. No shit, it's huge. Some car comes into the parking lot. Holy shit! I just noticed this. That's my tub right there. Right there is a huge spurge of water. See if I can get a better view from the kitchen. So how you guys been doing? I've been filming. I've been trying to film, but can't. I'm trying to find my ways around filming. Oh, sorry about the glare. Can't. Sorry, I guess I can't. Guess I can't film there. I built this. Okay, you guys get to sit here watching this for a little bit while I get this one thing set up.
It is a God-forsaken land.
It's one of these days, guys. I'm never prepared. I am never prepared for anything.
Dangerous extremes and barren landscape call out to some. Death Valley National Park draws almost 800,000 visitors a year.
Come back, guys. I built this. It's like an F1. It's like the F1 frame. There's the piece for your shoulders. Keep your head right here. Steering wheel. Shifter. Complete 360-degree turning. It's all out of Legos. All Legos. So you guys get that. It's hot now, so we have that. I got this. If you guys don't know, just leave me a comment saying why what this means. I'll tell you. All the movies. No, that movie I'm borrowing right there. I'm borrowing that movie. I'm borrowing that movie. That movie. Damn. That's shiny case. Yeah, I'm borrowing that because I have this. I have the original Sailor Moon movie. 1, 2, 3. Yep. That's all the stuff I'm borrowing. Got this. Completely sealed factory. It's factory sealed, so hey. That's cool. It's my laptop where I do all my work on. TV. Brother be jealous about that. Got my games down here. Got Minecraft. I got Minecraft. Got Madden. Got Minecraft. That's my Knight Rider, the newest one. Forza 3. Dirt 3. Bad Company. Army of 2. So my 360 games. I'll put those back where the 360 is going to be going. It's Just bed. Got my little setup area. It's cool in there. Little guitar, basketball, chomper, box, skateboard, guitar, Hot Wheels cars. If you guys remember that car. And there's a bone shaker. Show you guys my bed. Not made, but I got this car. And let's burn it with the light on. There's that. All my Hot Wheels cars. First car in my whole collection. I started with this collection. Yeah, had to be. Had to be that car. Got this. Epicness. Hopefully I can get sponsored. And yep, I do love my kick-ass. Something I made right there. Now let's go take a back peek outside. Let's take a look at how it is outside. Since this is vlog number 20, I'll give you guys a little extra time with me. And as you can see, holy shit, it's wet. It's wet. Oh, almost all this whole carpet is wet. There's rain going out in front of me. I got rain. Oh, we're supposed to have this for all day now. Huh? Light show. I only see thunder. Nope. Yeah, I only see thunder. I don't see no damn lightning. And there's a shadow up there. Yeah, I'll let you guys go when it just comes around like 10. Because this is always a good thing. How I am. I might, if you guys are in the Harrisburg area, this Wednesday will be there's gonna be hopefully depending on the weather, there might be fireworks Wednesday. I don't know what time exactly. I don't know the address, so just look on a website, Harrisburg area fireworks. That's PA, Pennsylvania, because this is where everything is. My friends don't know where I'm from. No one knows where I'm from. Not giving anything away. There you will meet, if you do. Holy sh! There you will see you'll meet me, Heather, and that's it. So guys, that is all. That is it for me and this. So, peace guys. That flash is too bright. I might do that. There has to be a little setting for that.